kay Coach Louie Gonzalez. Different mix in the starting five. Let's see if it will work against Arellano today. Ball is up and game is underway. First round matchup between JRU and Arellano. Good to have you with us. Martin Javier with Coach Jerry Cordillera. MJ Raimundo connects on his first attempt. Put some points on the board for JRU. Napakaganda ang simula para dito sa JRU. Babawiin kaagad ni Abiera, Coach. Parang sabi sa akin ni Abiera, kaya ako nagsa-start ngayon para kay Coach Chico because I can do that.
Ganitong-ganito yung ginawa ng first win nila sa Arellano. Hot start agad.
Oh, ito naman. Steal and the score plus the foul for a very aggressive Abiera.
Ito, mga subscribe dito si Lima.
Oh, Coach, dun sa sequence na yun, hinahanap ng Arellano yung punto sa ilalim. Pangilinan! Off to the right, but the putback is there for Giab.
Nakita mo yung kulang ni Giab doon?
Ultra athletic wing. Barrera, wala. And the rebound goes to Tima Ongotan. He starts the break. Valencia, hang time, he scores!
Pasti Valencia!
Good read coming from Ongotan. Talaga pag ito nasa open.
Ito si Yuan Kamay. Binabantayan ni Sean Argente. Hernal. Tapulog. No. Gets his own miss. Puts it back in.
Mama.
Mama move. Tama ka, Coach. Para dito kay JL Capulong. It is a 9-0 run for Arellano in this stretch.
Maganda ang pace ng Arellano dito sa team eh. Same goes with JRU.
Argente, first shot. Goes down.
Sean Argente!
Sean Argente with a lob for the Chiefs.
Grabe ang nagagawa ni Hernal. He can rebound, put back, tsaka pag nakuha niya sa ilalim, sure ball.
Tima, scoop, and the hoop for Tima Ongotan.
Akala mo, hindi niya mapipiggeron yung ganun kalayo eh.
Nakita niya yung mismatch eh.
Oh.
Nasa kanya si Sarmiento.
Ganyan ba si Tracy McGrady?
Tima. Argente, sideways shot.
Sean Argente!
Wow! 4 points now for Sean Argente.
Naka-poise na poise si Argente. Tumira pa. After the basket, move to the next sequence kagad siya.
Correct. Hindi naglilinger. Kasi alam niya, tuloy-tuloy lang. JL, wala. Ongotan out of nowhere. Ball goes back to JRU though. He got a series of great plays.
Sumesenya si Coach ano?
Ito, Coach. Argente, Pineke, up and under.
Suave.
Leaner goes in. To the delight of the JRU students. It's gonna be an interesting rotation for both coaches. Wow, what a feed! Hernal on the finish.
Wow.
Of the setup job by Tima Ongotan.
From Jayadano Ongotan.
Nakita pa niya yun. Ang laki nung nasa harap ni Ongotan ah.
Ongotan. Oh! Dipsy-doo!
Marvin Raimundo.
For MJ Raimundo, who now has 10 points in the first quarter.
Ito si MJ Raimundo, baka nakapag-shadow dito kay De Los Santos last year. Nakita niya paano lumaro.
Benitez yung bumantay sa kanya. Nakita pa niya yung cut ni Hernal. But afterwards, a smooth play. Woo! Pinaliban ito ni MJ Raimundo. Okay, Coach. The Chiefs, ito, struggling from the field in the last 4 minutes. That's their first field goal in a span of 4 minutes, Coach. That was an extended dry spell for the Chiefs. So Ivan Panapana and Jonathan Medina both back on the floor as Kayla reported earlier.
Si Binoya, daming nagagawa para sa team. Nakakahasil. Tapos unpredictable yung mga tira niya.
Yuan Kamay scoops it to the hoop. And Arellano is back in front. The Chiefs are off to a better start here in the second quarter. Cross-court pass. MJ Raimundo. Raimundo off the bump. Oh, basket is good para kay Raimundo. May kasama pang foul.
Ano, matinding weapon sa kanya yung pagka... pag shoulder fake niya, biglang quick release. Hindi mahuli-huli ng big man eh.
Ito muna, Coach Mavi Vinoya. Training it from the outside. Ito naman yung crossover. Tsaka atake ni Yuan Kamay, Coach. Pero si Raimundo, yun yung sinasabi mo. Kaunting separation. Pagkatapos ng bump, nilusot niya na kagad. Kamay again! Having his way against the defense of JRU.
Nakita nila, nakakita niya, tinetesting niya yung depensa ni Argente dito. Hindi niya lang...
Sean counters right back.
Bumawi. Coach akala mo wala akong depensa, shoot ang kitang 3 points.
Kanya mas marami pa. 3 puntos. Argente. Come on! 11 points for Sean here in the first half.
Parang release ng trend. Dire-diretso. Ang ganda ng release, yung form, perfect form.
Miller misses. Sean, Panapanaan, sends it out. Pangilinan all day. Got it! 2 straight triples for JRU. And they're back in front, 45-44 in our 10th lead change in the first half. Abiera with the left. Not gonna work. Raimundo collects the board. Forward pass, Pangilinan. I-check sana. Raimundo. Count it! And the foul for MJ Raimundo, who now has 17 points. Argente started the 3-point party. And then Pangilinan joining the barrage. MJ Raimundo adding on to his total for a 3-point play opportunity for a total of 8 unanswered points for JRU in the latter part of the second frame.
Tama natin.
Tsaka 18 na. Ito si Raimundo. Kapulong!
Mag-aasa na naman. JL. I mean, dapat itong JRU dito, they have to send some double team. Baka pwedeng i-front nila si JL. Paulit-ulit yung atake niya eh.
You know, weight room move para kay Lawrence Kapulong, who is now up to 10 points in the game.
Sigurado, iinom ng...
And the shot clock. Raimundo drives. Kamay gets it. Kamay with the bounce. D-Man passed underneath and Vinoya scores. All tied up at 48. One final shot for JRU. Players to cover here in the NCAA back in season 92 and 93. Vinoya off the heel. Arellano gets it back. They go to JL here, single coverage. Kapulong puts it up and in.
Big time move. Kita mo na yung mga head and shoulder. Sa pro ko na lang nakikita.
Had when we started the game. Vinoya. Valencia is back in the contest. Valencia attacks and scores.
Galing talaga siya. With the ball, dami pwedeng gawin ni Valencia doon eh.
12 puntos para kay Basti Valencia. Cross-court pass is picked off. T-Mac is on the move. Omotan all the way! And Arellano takes the lead. Barrera. Cross to whistle.
Smart move. Narinig niya, pumito, tinira niya. Ayun. Free throw.
Ito yung atake atake ni Basti Valencia going to his right. And then T-Mac Ongotan breaking up the play, beating everybody in that foot race.
Medyo inatras na nila yung sayang doon. Hindi na kita si Ongotan, sumisinyas na.
Yeah, he had options. Barrera, what a calm move on the break for Mark Barrera. And it's a seesaw battle in the third quarter. Abante ulit ang JRU under 3 minutes left. For Kapulong, good.
Masyadong
Pick-off.
predictable yung pasa.
Yeah, pasa na. Uy! Malakas para kay Raimundo. Naglemborak dun si Panapanaan. Here he is. Panapanaan off the glass.
Naka-hassle na sa recovery ng bola.
Kailangan natin makita yun. Mamaya. Meantime, JRU is back in front. Battle in positioning. Coach, eto, mintis ni Raimundo. Salo ni Panapanaan. Teka.
Ayan.
Lemborak muna. Diba?
Hindi niya alam
Diba?
kung nasa tabi ni Rico.
And then, he was the one who scored the basketball. Pwede Lemborak yan, pwedeng Matrix. Yung Keanu Reeves. About a 5-second difference between the clocks. Raimundo sends it out. T-Mac has it. Ongotan. Yes! And Arellano pulls even once again with the last second basket from T-Mac Ongotan. Look at this. Ongotan on the break operating for the Chiefs. He gives us our 8th deadlock of the game. We go back to square one. 8 turnovers. JRU 4. Argente from mid-range. Argente gets the shooter's bounce.
Pwede rin si Argente sa mga perimeter. Kala ko to, 3 points lang eh.
So Argente, what a game he is having. 14 points already for this guy. Hernal feeding Ongotan all alone inside.
Nawala na ng move si Hernal doon eh.
Yeah.
Oo, inantay na lang nila eh, yung Ongotan. Very versatile, magaling kumate.
And he likes playing in that painted area, coach. Barrera underneath.
Ayun naman. Tumalikod naman sa tao si Ongotan doon. Kaya yung pinatouch sa middle. Always jump to the ball. Jump ball side. To prevent those passes.
Right back at you, says Mark Barrera. Mavi Binoya. Inaba. Uy, ganda ng hanap. Hernal underneath. That was Kamay with again the beautiful setup job. It's hard to believe that. Back to Hernal, taken away by Raimundo. And we're off and running. Barrera! Ooh, chased down by Hernal. But Diab puts it back in. Plus the foul. How about this? Takeaway by Raimundo. Passing it to Barrera. Hernal did not give up. Oh, that was very close. But they ruled it as a block. Diab, though, cleaning it up.
Bolang-bola. Malinis.
Ito si Joshua Giab at the free throw line. Got it! What a shot for Sean!
Malayo pa yan.
And JRU ties their biggest lead on Kapulong. Barrera! No. Ball is tapped outside. It ends up with Sean. Argente for 3. Kaboom! And it's the biggest lead for JRU. Ongotan couldn't answer. 8-0 run for the JRU Heavy Bombers. And this guy has been the catalyst of this attack. That's a dribbling violation on Sean. How about this? The steal, stepping into a 3. Talk about confidence, coach.
Oo. Pag si Argente, nandyan.
Sean has 20 points in the game. Second straight game that he has reached the 20-point plateau.
Pwede kong magawa sa team.
Tingnan natin. Oh, Giab from the corner.
Ayan.
Kaboom! Joshua Giab with a potential dagger.
Masyado masakit yun.
Oh, wow! Ongotan nowhere to go. And that's a foul on Hernal. I don't think anybody expected that play from JRU. Giab just waiting, left with space. And he nails the corner triple.
Napakatak.
8-point game. 46 seconds left. Argente, play is broken up. Ongotan, crowded. Timac, ow! Once again, Ongotan scores. It's a 6-point game again, coach. Arellano with some defensive stops. Pana-panaan gets fouled.
Hindi pa tapos.
Here's the triple by Mavi Vinoya and then the steal by Hernal. Timac against 3 defenders. Did not work, got it back. Sinipagan lang ni Timac Ongotan to make it a 6-point game. But
for Ivan Pana-Panaan.
quick 2. So a 4-point game. Now they need a steal. Talking about the Chiefs. And they pressure Sean. Argente gets trapped. They'll review this. They can review this. This is going to be big. Timac, high point man for Arellano today, provides the goods again. 20 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, and 4 steals for Timac Ongotan. 1 out of 2. 3-point game. It's going to be a full court inbound for the Chiefs. 6.7 seconds to operate. Here comes Arellano. Geronimo. Abiera. Oh no! And JRU survives.
Good shot. Talagang hindi lang pumasok.
It's the end of the ball
JRU will escape with the win.
89-40 Arellano Chiefs.
They fend off
92 for the
a late Arellano rally to take their second win of the season. What a game, Coach Jerry.
Grabe, talagang wala na tayong masabi dito sa dalawa.